Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech2. If you are in marketing or social media and you have ever wondered how to create amazing video content without spending hours in production or hiring expensive editors, then this is the video for you. Today I'm excited to show you VidAU, an incredible AI-powered video generator that helps you create professional, attention-grabbing videos with ease. Whether you are looking to swap faces, translate content into different languages, or generate high quality marketing videos in minutes, VidAU's AI tool have you covered. So the link to this website is available in the description below. To begin, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. If you don't already have one, simply sign up, confirm your details and log in. Once you are logged in, you will be greeted with an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. As you can see, the interface is user-friendly and filled with hundreds of templates, so you can start making video ads immediately. Before we dive into all the cool features VidAU offers, let me give you a quick scenario. Imagine you are running a social media campaign for a product launch. You have got a deadline and a limited budget, but you still want to create high quality, personalized video ads that connect with your audience. With VidAU, you can create an AI-generated short video ad in minutes. Let's say you are an affiliate marketer promoting a fitness product. Instead of filming a video from scratch, you can use VidAU's Premade Templates, upload product images, and even swap in your face or a customer's face to personalize the ad. Now let's take a closer look at the templates. VidAU offers a massive collection of pre-designed templates for you to choose from. Whether you are creating video ads for social media, YouTube, or promotional campaigns, there is something for everyone. To begin, select a template that matches your style. For this example, I am going to choose this one here. Just click Use this template. Once you have chosen your template, you can fully customize it according to your needs. Here is where the magic happens. After selecting a template, VidAU gives you complete control over customization. On the right hand side, you will find a variety of options. First, you can add or modify your video script which the avatar will speak. And if you want to add images or logos, no problem, you can upload your own media to insert into the video, allowing you to personalize it to fit your brand or campaign. Also, the avatar's position can be adjusted, and here you will also find the option to choose from a range of avatars. You can also adjust the avatar's shape, circle, rectangle, whatever suits your style. Once you are happy with the edits, click Preview to check out the results.
We can create UGC advertising videos with one click, bringing you the convenience of video advertising.
And when you are satisfied, hit the render button to finalize your ad. Now let's make an AI avatar video. VidAU gives you a wide range of avatars to choose from. So let's pick one. After choosing your avatar, click Generate Avatar Video. You can also select the voice for your avatar and even make the background transparent if needed.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, you'll never enjoy the... We should all be thankful for those people who rekindled...
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
The years teach much which the days never know.
Write the script you want the avatar to speak, adjust subtitles and animations, and then preview it.
I am an AI avatar created by VidAU. You can use me as your video actor.
Once you are happy with the result, hit render and there you go. A professional AI avatar video in just a few clicks.
I am an AI avatar created by VidAU. You can use me as your video actor.
And next we have URL to video feature. You can simply paste the URL of your product page or any other relevant link And VidAU's AI will automatically pull key information from that page. This includes extracting the product name, description, images and videos, so you don't need to manually input these details. However, if you prefer to have more control, you can also upload your own images, videos or customize the product description to suit your needs. Once you have all the content set, you can easily adjust the video specifications by choosing the aspect ratio depending on where you plan to post the video, be it social media, your website or ads. Additionally, you can select the length of the video and the preferred language for the voiceover or text, making the process even more versatile for different regions or markets. The final step allows you to select your target audience, ensuring the video is optimized for the demographic you are aiming to reach. Once you are done, VidAU will generate 4 unique video ads from the link. You can check out the results in just a few moments.
Sick of probiotics that don't deliver on their promises? It's time to demand more.
And one of the most exciting features is the face swap functionality. This allows you to swap faces in any video you upload, creating an entirely new look with just a few clicks. First, upload the video in which you want to swap faces. Next, upload an image of the person whose face you want to use. I am going to use a demo video and an image to swap the face with. VidAU is your go-to tool for creating professional video ads with AI avatars, face swaps and much more. So if you are ready to take your videos to the next level, don't wait. Click the exclusive link in the description below, give it a try and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.